I'm Christiana Figueres, and I am the faithful servant of my boss, the global atmosphere. On global pollution, we have the phenomenon of the warm water and the frog, because we have been living with mounting air pollution for the past 20, 30, 40, 50 years. And we haven't noticed it because it has been insidious. And that is why we don't have the public outrage that we should be having. If we were taken out of absolutely clean air and dropped into the cities that we have now, we would have an explosion. We would have civil unrest, and we would have people screaming on the streets that it is not acceptable. So point number one, we have to develop the public outrage that is going to cut through this complacency that we have, thinking that air pollution is simply a matter of fact, particularly in cities. It is not. Everybody's children is actually having this kind of lung and respiratory and brain damages because we're breathing the air that we have. And we have to really understand that the air that we breathe is not an open sewer that is going to receive all of the energy waste that we put out. I think change needs to come from all places. You know, we're no longer in the luxury that, okay, well, let's choose one place. No, change has to actually occur concurrently in many different places. Certainly we need policy changes, but we also need bottom up. We also need the public to rise up in frank disagreement with what is the situation that we have now. So thank heavens and thank you to WHO that finally brought the whole community together to look at air pollution. So I would love there to come out of this 3 days the vision that we really want. What kind of cities do we want? What kind of a livability conditions do we want for our children, for our grandchildren? What kind of a green city? What kind of proper transportation? What kind of effective education do we want? We have to do both. We have to develop the outrage and the vision.